Oh man, I'm gonna get smacked, y'all. I'm gonna get smacked by hail. I just know it. Oh my gosh. Luckily I've got a helmet on, but it's got holes in it. Holy bejesus. Look at these hailstones. Man, maybe I shouldn't have got on my bicycle today. Ha ha ha. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna see if we can survive a hailstorm. A hailstorm between Callisburg and Gainesville, Texas. Here it comes. Oh man. Oh man, now I gotta climb this hill. Haven't been pounded by one yet, but it's coming. Oh, it's gonna hurt. We're gonna get some bruises. This will put hair on your chest, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. That hit me. Oh, that one got me. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Ha ha ha. Woo, boy, that hurt. Ha ha. That hurts as bad as that leather El Paso belt that I used to get spanked with as a child. Ha ha ha. Oh my God, brings back memories. Oh, that hurt. Ouch. I love it. Woo! Ow, ow. Man. Ow, ow. Oh, we are getting a pounding. Ow! That one hit me in the nuts. Ouch, ouch. Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurts. Oh, I'm getting some bruises. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that one hit me good in my private area. Oh. And I'm getting some bruises. It could be worse. I would say this is like quarter to dime sized hail right here, but those first few stones were the biggest. But yeah, I think I got a bruise right on my private unit, y'all. One hit me right in the lap. I would probably be best off to just stay behind these trees, but I think I'll be all right. Okay, now it seems to be turning to rain, not so much hail. Not much hail now, although there could always be one big stone that could fall to hit me. Now it looks like we've got rain. Oh, that was exciting, y'all. I just love Mother Nature and everything she can throw at me.